how to download and add Read and Write extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click here, search for Chrome Store and go to chrome.google.com, and now search for Read and Write. I'm sorry. Now I need to write it like this. It's Read and Write, as you can see, like this, and you will find it. Now all what you have to do is click on Add to Chrome and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.